What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we want to take a look at the kinds of securities that you can transfer to your Webull account. So if you have a Webull account and you want to move securities from other brokers, let's say from Robinhood, from M1 Finance, from Stockpile to Webull, what kind of securities can you actually transfer? So we're going to take a look at that in today's video. But before we get started, if you're new here, we talk about everything Webull, tips and tricks on how to leverage the Webull platform to become a better investor. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So when you go out and you're trying to transfer your securities from other brokers to Webull, the question is, can you transfer everything? The answer is definitely no. So if you have things like cryptocurrency in your account, that's not going to transfer. If you have stocks that you bought over the counter, that's not going to transfer. If you have, let's say, stocks that you bought on margin, those are not fully owned stocks. Those cannot transfer. So let's just go through this list and really see. So Webull support all listed U.S. stocks on the Webull platform, which means if you can buy, sell the security, you can transfer it to or from your Webull account. This covers most U.S. listed equities and ETFs. However, a few stocks and ETFs are not supported for trading by Apex, which is the clearinghouse, which is Webull's clearinghouse, like I said. So currently, bonds, mutual funds, pink sheet, penny stocks on OTCs and markets are not supported. So again, this is over the counter. So OTC means for over the counter stocks that are not really listed directly on the New York Stock Exchange. So you can buy those, but you can buy them over the counter. So those are the things that are not supported. Again, if you own your stocks outright that's not bought on margin, then you can actually transfer it. But if you have margins, no way, you cannot transfer it. So to see if a stock is transferable, a very simple step is log into your Webull account. Once you get into your account, you tap on the watch list, which will be the lower left corner in your mobile app. Tap on that watch list button and then type to search, put in the ticker symbol of the stock. And if the stock shows up, click on the stock and look at the name, and underneath that, act as if you want to enter an order. And if you see it says buy, then that stock is tradable on the Webull platform. But if it's rejected, then that stock is not tradable. That's a simple test. But again, the stock could show that it's tradable. Then when you go to transfer it, let's say from Robinhood to Webull, if Robinhood, the stock is not fully paid for, if you bought that stock on Robinhood with a margin, then you have to sell that stock before you can transfer your funds. There's no way they can allow you to transfer stocks that are on margin to your Webull account. So definitely make sure you do that before requesting a transfer. That's it for this video, guys. And again, if you're new, just go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. We talk about everything Webull, tips and tricks on how to leverage the Webull platform to become a better investor. And I'll see you guys in the next one.